Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a very important side hustle. This is new, it's still fresh. People are earning like right now. So all you just need to do, make sure you have an internet connection and have a smartphone. Navigate yourself to your toolbar and type in HetzBank.com. See that they had the site address there to show you where you can put your phone number. And you click on register. Fill in here your phone number here, enter this very captcha you're seeing here, create your password, then the next thing you do, put in the captcha. My own is 8125, your own might be different. Yours will be different. Click on register. If you just register, bam, it will take your time. It will not take your time, it will come up here straight. Okay, now this is my dashboard. My balance right now is 700 naira. There's instant balance for this. It's 700 naira. You see, I have 700 naira here now. Okay, get a referral link. You see, if I refer, I'll get 15%. Okay, now you look at it. It has a package for the registrations. If you register with 3,000 naira, your daily income is 300 naira. Then total income is 27,000 naira. Serving time is 90 days. After 90 days, you resubscribe. Okay. If you register with 5,000 naira, your daily income is 525 naira. Your total income will be 47,250 naira. Then your serving time is 30 days. After these days, it elapses, then you renew your registrations. This continue consecutively and you're going to earn money. Okay, if you are doing it with, if you register with 10,000 naira, so it will be, your total income will be 99,000. The serving time is still 90 days. So after 90 days, you renew your subscription. If you register with 50,000, then your daily income is 5,750 naira. Your total income is 517,500, and your serving time is still 90 days. So it depends. So on this, I advise you to start yours with 5,000 before you try. When you enjoy the service more, you can go on and do more registrations. On this, on my comments down, I'll be dropping the link to this, because if you use my link, you're going to secure bonus and I will get bonus too, right? So you can now see here, my balance here is 700 naira, and the minimum balance and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. Let me click on this balance and you see it. So withdraw balance, I have not withdrawn anything. This one is 0. So withdrawable balance is 700. Okay, so if it is up to 1,000 naira now, I can just say withdraw now. Right now you see it. Okay, let me take you back. This is real, this is legit. HetzBank is legit. A lot of people are catching out now as I'm talking to you. So if you want to know at least a brief about them, you can go to about this company. You see, Hetz is a professional web hosting provider and experienced data center operator since 1997. The company has been provided private and business clients with high performance hosting product as well as the necessary infrastructure for the efficient operation of website. So you can just see about them a little, so that you can at least have a clue or have an idea of whatever it is you are going into. So now let's go back to our dashboard. This is our dashboard. If you see up here, you can see some message: congratulations, you have withdrawn this, congratulations, you have your earning is, congratulations. You see, all those things are legit. They are really working out. Okay, you can check your referral links. So you earn money, get 15% commission of level 1 immediately when your friend A sign up and buy product through your referral links. 2. Get 7% commission of level 2 when your friend A refer other B to buy products on Hetz. So on all this now, you will do it. This is your referral link. You can just copy. Your referral link. Go to your WhatsApp to advertise it. Go to your WhatsApp. You can advertise it to anyone you want. So the moment anybody uses this, you get your percentage. Okay, that is my own referral links. This is how simple it works. So you can, for the sake of this tutorial, you can just, I would like to make things brief. You can look at them to know much more about it. So on these very places now, you can say, okay, you choose your package. If you choose a package, the price is, let me say I choose this package C102. The price for this package is 5,000. Daily income 525 naira. You withdraw this every 2 days, so you can be withdrawing it every 2 days. Your money comes back. Then your total income is 4,000. Your total income, is 47,250 naira. This is within 90 days. This is simply within 90 days. Okay, let me say I will go for the C103. Let me go for a bigger package. Okay, so going for a bigger package, this is what you do. You see, the price here is 10,000. The daily income is 1,100. You withdraw this every day. You can withdraw this every day. So I will just, Hetz 103 is one of the cloud computing server management full hosting plans we provide to the client. The client invests 10,000 naira to obtain 1,100 daily income and continuously for 90 days and receive 99,000 as total in the end. The daily income will be added to your balance in your Hetz account at 12 p.m. at noon every day, and is withdrawable around 7 times 24 hours. That is 247 when it reaches the minimum amount of withdrawal, and the minimum amount of withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So if you use this very one, you will be withdrawing every day. Okay, let's see. I want to do something bigger because I want to end big. So let's say after this one, This 10,000 is 50,000. Okay, what if I chooses this 50,000? Price 50,000. Daily income is 5,750 naira. Total income is 517,500. Nice for 90 days. For 90 days, okay. So if I say let me buy this now, so the same thing, the daily income will be added to at 12 noon every day, and it's withdrawable around 7:24 when it reaches the minimum amount of 1,000 naira. And on this you can be taking out 5,000 plus every day, every blessed day. Okay, so let's just take this one, shall no, like this. Take this C102, or let's take this C103. 90 days. I take this C103. Let me say buy. So the serving time of this one, as I said earlier, is 90 days. It's 90 days, as you can see. $1,000 beneficiary, classified depot, bank name, United Bank for Africa, account number. So you copy this account number. You copy this account number, upload screenshot of a receipt, input the sender name. Payment step 1, open your bank app and make the transfer. Then copy the bank account shown above and input the amount shown above. Okay, so copy the transfer narrations and paste the narration, then complete the transfer. Step 3, take a screenshot of the receipt and upload it. Step 4, input the sender name and submit the payment. You see, so if you just do this, copy this, go to your app, make your transfer and come back, then everything will be settled. So you can just do this and start enjoying your money. So you do this, start enjoying your money. Okay, this is real, this is legit. I have an account already, so I don't want to create a new one like right here. Just check an example. So if you have any question, if you have anything to ask me about, please do not hesitate to shout me up at the message button, and I'll also be sharing a referral link so that you can join through my referral link and get your bonus. We'll both get our bonus. So thank you so much for watching. If you are just joining us and you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do that and hit the notification bell. Don't also forget to give it a thumbnail so that the video will be able to go viral. Please do that, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.